Hi, my name is Tiffany Fixer. I'm the founder of Brewability in downtown Englewood, Colorado. We are an inclusive brewery and pizzeria that employs adults with intellectual and developmental disabilities. We're also welcoming to the entire community, including people with disabilities who might walk or roll through our doors. Special education teacher, and then I was a director of a day program, figured out that there's a lack of employment opportunities for people with intellectual and developmental disabilities. So what's better than beer and pizza?
Hi, my name is Nicole Nowecki, and I am Tiffany's business partner here at Brewability. We are raising funds through Honeycomb to help build our capacity to provide accessible dining opportunities for everyone in the community. So we're looking at a lot of projects that we want to get done here in our own business, but we also want to expand our ability to help everyone in our community be more accessible and have accessible dining options available to them, as well as increase the opportunities for people with intellectual and developmental disabilities to have training and get employment experience and be employed in our community businesses as well.
We absolutely love Englewood, Colorado. We chose this location because it's a really mixed, diverse neighborhood. Most of the businesses around here are small businesses, mom and pop shops, really very few chains. And we've got the School for the Blind down the street. There's Craig Hospital down the road, which is the leading traumatic brain injury and spinal cord injury hospital in the United States. There's also Swedish Hospital, and so there's really a need for accessibility in the neighborhood, and we're happy to be a part of it.
I'm Avery. I'm one of the bar managers, and my favorite thing to do here is bartending. I love interacting with the customers, all of the events that we have here, and it just gives me a newfound confidence. This is our beer menu, and it partly goes with our concept. You can do sign language for people who do sign, and for our visually impaired people it also helps. They can't see completely to read the tap handle, like a Hefeweizen for example, but they could maybe see well enough to see a color.
My name is Janelle Pomeroy, and I am kitchen manager at Brewability. My favorite thing about working here is Tiffany. She's an amazing boss, and I love also cooking. I just really enjoy working here. I've always wanted to find a place that would accept me for me, and I finally have.
My name is Tony Sapanero, and I am a bartender and kitchen staff of Brewability Lab. My favorite part about working here is the people and the community, whether it be the staff or the customers or anyone in between.
Making dough is easy,
But making dough in this economy is a little bit tougher. That's why we need your help.
Thank
you for your support.